Welcome to Auto Bavaria. We understand that this is a challenging time for all, so we have enhanced our retail showroom procedure for your convenience and safety. The safety of our employee and also customers is our top priority.
Whenever you're ready for sheer driving pleasure, our doors are always open for you. We at Auto Bavaria want you to know that our dealership and demo unit have always been sanitized and clean as part of our normal course of business. We have enhanced our test drive procedures in order to ensure that we serve you in the safest way possible.
At Auto Bavaria, we strive to provide excellent after-sales services to our customers. In light of the COVID-19 pandemic, we have enhanced our health and safety protocols in after-sales operations to ensure that you and your BMW are well taken care of. We care for you as much as we care for your BMW.
At Auto Bavaria, we always aim to provide greater convenience to our customers. If you're not comfortable sending your car to our service centre, you may opt for Auto Bavaria iService. Simply book your service appointment on Auto Bavaria mobile app and our iService team will come to you.
Our commitment to keeping you safe remains at the forefront of everything we do here at Auto Bavaria. Feel confident and achieve total peace of mind when you entrust all your automotive needs to Auto Bavaria. Stay safe, stay positive.